Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another training video. So today, let's just do some quick analysis and see what type of trades that we can find, guys. So I'm just gonna jump into it. I'm gonna start on the H4 chart and see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the GBP USD. Okay, let's see what's happening on the GBP USD. We can see that the price is above the 100 period moving average, and then we already hit TP2, right? And then we had a little bit of retracement, volatility meters above 70%, and then we can target TP3. Okay, so here's a potential trade for us. We can actually jump in there. This is the H4 chart. This is the H4 chart, guys. But before we actually jump into any trades, we're just going to have a look at most of these markets and see what type of opportunities that we can get, right? So let's go ahead and see. Okay, entry, buy entry. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm just going to leave this on the chart. Okay, so this is GBP USD on the H4 chart. Okay, another thing that I see on the GBP USD, guys, if I look at the price action, let's see, what else do we see? We see this initial movement right here, right? The market moved, hit TP1, and then it retraced, okay? It retraced, and then now it's sort of making like a 1-2-3 pattern, if you guys know what a 1-2-3 pattern is on the H4 chart. It's making a 1-2-3 pattern right there, okay, which is very nice, okay? So this is chilled. This is chilled. So let's go to, okay, before we go there, let me just check on the lower time frames if there's anything obvious. Okay, so I like starting on the H4 chart, guys. I really like starting on the H4. Okay, USD CHF, but I see that it's giving us a sell signal. But another thing that I'm noticing here is the ranging movements. Okay, we've got a range here. Okay, so guys, the purpose of this one, I'm not going to be explaining much, but we're just looking for opportunities, okay? And then if I find them, I will post the trades that I take on the Telegram channel, okay? Nice, nice, nice. Okay, on the 15-minute chart, we see good stuff. All right, let's go back to the H4 chart. I'm just going to move quickly, guys, because I just want to get through these charts very quickly. Okay, H4 chart, USD JPY, no signal. The USD CAD, we do have a signal, but the market is ranging. I'm just gonna scroll quickly, guys. Okay, AUD USD, nothing. Euro GBP is a sell. Looks pretty interesting. Let's keep that on in our lunchbox. Okay, this is good. This is good. Euro GBP and GBP USD usually go in the opposite direction, so it's a good sign. Okay, it's a good sign. Okay, let's go now look for the Euro USD on the H4 chart. Okay, not clear right now. Euro AUD. I'm just scrolling quickly, guys. Okay, quickly, because time is money, you know. We'll have time to do the trainings, but for now, we're just gonna go ahead and just quickly browse through the markets, you know. Because like, you know what I like to do, guys. The reason why I do this is because, you know, when some markets are in a range, you know, there are other markets which are in an obvious trend. Okay, so those are the trades that I like to trade. Markets that are in an obvious trend, which have like a low spread. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go through this. Just quickly go through this AUD CHF. So far the trades that I'm liking is the GBP USD and the Euro GBP, right? On the H4 chart. But let me just scroll past real quick. Oh, you know what? I forgot to check the fundamentals, guys. Let me just go check it in the Telegram channel. I remember I posted this. So today is Tuesday. What's happening on Tuesday? Tuesday, 4 p.m. There's news. Okay. All right. So we could be we could be in feeling the after effects of the news, right? And then tomorrow, let me just check quickly, guys. On Wednesday, we have tomorrow morning we have some news. Okay, no, let's not get sidetracked, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So far, guys, I found trades that I would take on the Euro GBP and the GBP USD, right? On the H4 chart. The H4 is my baby. You see, if I have another baby in this lifetime, guys, I'm gonna call that baby H4. 4 hour time frame. You know what I mean? Okay, gold is also looking good on the H4 chart. Hey, but gold, you have to be careful with lot size as well. Okay. Okay, let's go GBP AUD. I'm just really scrolling fast, guys. Okay. So far we've got two trades. Okay, GBP CAD going to pass. NZD CHF. Okay, let's go NZD CAD. I'm trying to move as quickly as I can, guys. But we're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. USDs are. You know what? If there's a currency that I am afraid of, okay, and I avoid trading, is the USDs are. Hey, this thing, it can make you very rich, but at the same time can make you very poor. It's just one of those. Okay, let's go. I'm just going fast, guys. Okay, don't worry about it. If you feel like I'm going too fast, don't worry. I'll slow down soon. Okay. Gold to the euro. This is also an interesting trade. Gold to the, what is it? Gold ounce. Gold ounce to the dollar. Okay, never mind. Not really interested in those markets, but they are tradable. Silver on the H1 chart is giving us what we need to get. Okay, guys, just hold on. Okay, Euro 50. Let's go. I'm just scrolling quickly, guys. Just scrolling quickly. Because one thing that we should avoid is over trading. Okay, we should avoid over trading. Okay, NAS 100 is looking good. For once, NAS 100 is looking good. It's been a minute. Okay, so NAS 100, H4, and H1 is tradable. Let's keep going. This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. Okay, let me go back. H4 chart, US30, US30 as well. Guys, it's been weeks, you know, it's been weeks since we had a proper trade on NAS 100 and US30. I'm so happy because these are my favorite instruments to trade. Right, these are my favorite instruments to trade. Okay, so let me just keep going. I know I'm moving fast, guys. Are you with me? Actually, I forgot to take my water bottle. Okay, so SP 500 as well. Okay, guys, so we have some trades here. We have some good trades here, guys. We have some good trades here. I'm pretty happy about what I'm seeing. We've got some good trades. I think like 3 trades is enough, and I'm speaking for myself. You know, 3 trades is good for me. And what is this? No one trades the AU, the Australian 200. Yeah, I don't want to offend anyone, but all right, don't offend anyone. Okay, Brent crude oil. Ooh, okay, so oil also is a trade, guys. But hey, the lot size, okay? So let me see what else is here. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing, guys. Okay, I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing. I'm not sure if I looked at Germany 40. Okay, I did, but there's nothing exciting there. Okay, let's just go one more again. NAS 100 is good. All right, I like this. I like this. Okay. So now let me rank. Let me just remind you guys what I found. Okay. So I've got a trade on GBP USD on the H4 chart, buy towards TP2 and TP3. I've got a sell on Euro GBP. I've got another sell on Euro CHF, but Euro CHF, because of the spread, I'm not going to trade this one. I'm just going to eliminate it. I've got a potential buy on gold, but the problem with gold is the spread issue. Not the spread, but the pip value. Okay, so it's kind of in a range right now. The best trade that I can see right now is the H1 on the US 30, NAS 100, and the SP 500. Okay, those are the clearest trades that I can see right now. So those are the ones that I'm going to start with. Those are my best ranked, but obviously I'm not going to trade all of them. So I'm just going to open a trade on NAS 100 and US 30, and then also, you know what I think we should do on gold, I'm going to open up two trades, guys. Okay, I'm going to open up a buy stop, and then I'm going to open up a market execution. Okay, probably going to make a video about it also. Okay, so let's see now which trades. I feel like there's a market that I didn't look at. Wait, let me see, guys. GBP USD. Did we look at AUD CHF? Just hold on. I don't remember looking at the AUD CHF. Okay, wait. Let me before I jump in too quickly. Let's. All right. No, I checked. There's no question. So, cat JPY. I'm not gonna jump in that. All right. Okay. Now let's work with what we have. Okay. So I'm gonna post these trades on the Telegram channel. Okay, guys. For those of you guys who don't really understand what I'm saying, all right. But I'll post them in the Telegram channel so you can just follow what we're doing. All right. So let's just say 20. It's been a minute, guys, since I did NAS 100. It's been a minute. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now I need to open up because my leverage is quite low on this account, right? It is quite low, so I need to open up a bigger lot size. Okay, so how much is it? Let's see how much. So I'm talking. Okay, guys, on NAS 100. Okay, if we look at the H4 and the H1, it's giving us proper levels, but I'm trading the H1 signal. Okay, and then on the H1 signal, I'm targeting TP2. Now, why is this a buy signal, guys? It's because the market is above the 100 period moving average, as you guys can see right there. Our volatility meter is at 70. It went past 70, and then it validated our trading level. So I'm taking this trade right now. Okay. One, okay, let me just see. I'm basically going to open up the trades on NAS 100 because it's the same as what do you call this, US 30. Same thing on the US 30, guys. We can literally, but just be careful, guys. When you're trading NAS 100 or US 30, you obviously need to be aware of your lot sizes. Okay, don't just go crazy because there are retracements. Okay, so you need to trade according to. If you're on a micro account, you don't really have to worry much. But if you're on a standard account, the lot size it counts. Okay, so US 30 the valid trade is on the H4 chart. Okay, so we're using the H4 chart parameters, right? We're using the H4 chart parameters. We're targeting TP1 and TP2, right? Remember your lot size, guys. Remember your lot size. Remember your lot size. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. I like it. Okay, so US 30, NAS 100. Okay, just for control, we can also do um, what is this one? SP 500. Okay, SP 500. I'm just targeting TP2, guys, because I want to allow my trades to have space to run. Okay, so yeah. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. All right, and then let's just take one Forex pair. Okay, so on GBP USD, guys, we're gonna have a instant market execution, right? I'm targeting TP3 because we're too close to TP2 for us to target TP2, right? Am I going too quick, guys? I feel like I'm going too quick. I'm sure somebody's gonna say that I'm going too quick. But anyways, I'll take a screenshot of these trades and then I'm gonna post them, okay? Let me just see if I can't find another trade. Okay, let me just quickly look at Forex pairs again. Let me just look maybe on the 1 hour chart just to see. Okay, so another thing that I do, guys, you see, this is the USD CHF on the H1 chart, all right? You see this behavior right here. Let me make this white so you guys can see, okay? So when I'm trading, I want markets which are about to trend or are already trending, okay? So look at this behavior right here. If you notice this, guys, what does this look like? Okay, this is not a trending market, it's a sideways market, right? So in a sideways market, I tend to, if I'm going to trade a signal with a sideways market like this, then I usually go with a lower lot size than I usually would. Okay, so or sometimes I just avoid it and wait for the market to correct itself and then give me a trending trade. Okay, so I want trades which look like, you see what NAS 100 is looking like right now. You can see that the price has been rising like this. So price action is very important, guys, especially in these types of situations. Okay, it gives you a little bit of confidence when you can see that the market has been ranging. I mean, has been trending. You see like that. So look at the difference. You see the price action on the NAS 100 on the H1 and the USD CHF, right? Let me open it on a naked chart so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay. NAS 100. Okay, okay. My chart isn't really naked, but you guys will get the point. Okay, you see the price action, guys, right? If you look closely, this is the difference. This is what I mean when I say I want to trade trending markets. You see here, the market was rising. At this point here, the market was in an uptrend. And as you guys can see, okay, there was a little bit of sideways movement, but now, the market went up, retraced, and it looks like it's going up. Okay, and we got a signal on our system, okay, which supports our philosophy that we want to trade when the market is trending. Okay. Now, look at what's happening on US 30, I mean on USD CHF, okay? USD CHF, you can see that the market went up here and then it came back down here, making a low. And then it came back up here, came back down. Are you guys with me? You want me to talk more about what I'm talking about right now, okay? This type of behavior. Okay, you can see that right here, this is a range. Okay, the market is in a range, right? So I avoid trading a ranging market. I want a market which is trending. Okay, so when I'm using the trading software, I primarily look for trades which are trending. Okay, because already the direction has been established, right? The direction has been established. That's why I want to trade these markets. Because if a market is already going up, there's a high chance that the market will continue to go up. Okay? Yeah. So that's the idea, that's the philosophy behind what it is that we're doing. Okay? Let's see what else is there. Okay, GBP USD, what did we do? All right, I also want to put like a buy stop on GBP USD. Okay, I'll post the trade. I'll post it on the Telegram channel. Okay, guys. 105, and maybe I should make like a tutorial video of how to, make or how to use a buy stop pending order. Okay, because there's more than one type of trade. 28695. Okay, so let me just take the screenshots. Okay, and then I'm just gonna post it on Telegram. Let me see now. Hi, check Bitcoin. Okay, somebody says they want me to check Bitcoin, so let me just, I always jump over it, guys, thanks for reminding me. Let me just look at that. Okay, Bitcoin, let me just play the software on it, right? Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, wait, hold on, what happened? Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin? Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Bitcoin is looking good. Looks like it's going up on the H4 chart as well. So it's a buy signal, guys. Bitcoin's a buy signal. Um, okay, what can I say beyond this? Okay, so it's meeting our criteria, right? It's meeting our criteria. You guys can see that right there. It's meeting our criteria. The price is above the 100-period moving average. Volatility meter is okay. And then we've got our trading levels, okay? But like if we were to look at Bitcoin a little bit more deeper, okay, we can see that, okay, there is sort of an uptrend. It's not too strong, but the price is moving to the top side. So if we were to enter this trade, we'd have to go in with a manageable lot size, and then we target TP2 and TP3 because already we hit TP1, so we target TP2. So this is a buy signal to the top side. Okay. So let's look which other crypto is popular. Let me just think quickly. I think it's Ethereum. Okay, on Ethereum, okay, it's also giving the same as Bitcoin, but not too exciting, not too exciting. Okay, let's see what else. What else, guys? We need something. We need something. We need something. All right, for now, I think let's stick to what we have. I don't remember if we did NZD. Just hold on, guys. I'm seeing something. All right, let me just quickly send the screenshot to Telegram. All right. Let me send the screenshot to Telegram, and then you can determine your own lot size. Okay, guys? You can determine your own lot size. Okay, let me see here. Okay, where is my take profit here? Okay, I want the one with the TP. Okay, I'm gonna post it just now. Okay, guys, you guys are gonna see a post of mine. Okay, I just noticed that I didn't put a stop loss on SP500. Oh, I did. Which account is this? 6349259. Okay, no, this is the correct account. Okay, I'm gonna post it just now, guys. All right. I'm just looking for the trades where I have the stop loss and the take profits specified. Okay. All right. So, yeah, I'm sending the screenshot right now. I'm sending the screenshot right now to the Telegram. Okay. Sending the screenshot right now to Telegram. Right. Sending a screenshot right now. SP500. And then, okay, wait. Let me just consolidate my screenshots real quick. Let me just consolidate them. Yeah. All right. So I've posted my trades, guys, on Telegram. Okay, I've posted my trades on Telegram. Posted my trades on Telegram. So we've got. So what trades do we have? We've got a buy trade on NAS 100, buy trade on GBP USD. We've also got a pending order on GBP USD. And then we have a buy trade on SP500. Let's see, and a buy trade on US 30. Where is it now? I just want to. Okay, so I've posted the trades along with the entry and the stop loss. Okay, you guys can just follow. All of these trades were taken on the H4 chart, right? All of these trades were taken on the H4 chart. Okay. So anyways, guys, I'm going to disconnect right now. I'll link up with you guys later. I'm still going to live stream on TikTok, okay? So I'll see you guys there. And yeah, enjoy, guys. If you see something, if you see another opportunity, just let me know in the comments. No, not in the comments, just send me a DM and then we'll plug it, all right? Thank you so much, guys, for watching the stream. I'll see you guys on the next one.